When you gift something to somebody, when you have gifted something to somebody, when you have offered something to somebody, it is no more yours. Yes. You no more try to inquire about it, you no more try to see how it is. It is none of your business. Once you have offered something to somebody, it is their business whether they want to throw it away or use it properly, break it. It is their business. They can do whatever they want. That is the meaning of giving gift, offering to somebody. But even in our worldly affairs, when we offer something to somebody, at least for some more time, we will inquire about it with that person. Yes? How is it? Is it okay? You will inquire. This camera was gifted to me by somebody. I did not buy it. Because to record a lecture, somebody gifted it to me. That somebody I met 3 days ago. They asked me, those YouTube videos that you are uploading, is it from my camera? I said, no, it is from my camera. Once you have given it to me, it is mine. It is no more yours. So they are feeling proud that I am recording in their camera. They have gifted it to me, but still it is theirs. I am just a chowkidar taking care of it. I am just a manager taking care of it.
So now you upload this video to YouTube.
I don't know whether they see the videos. They gave the camera. Actually, I want them to see. That's why I'm doing it. I told them directly also. Now, this is the attitude we adopt. Even in silly things like this, when you gift something to somebody, still you have some, it is mine only. It is with him, but it is mine. He is only the manager of my gift. The same attitude we adopt in a very big extent to with God also. We say surrender, 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 but God is only a chowkidar for us. He should take care of my house, my family. It is mine only. He should take care of it. He is a manager. This is not surrender. People have misunderstood surrender to mean that giving that management to somebody. Giving a management to somebody is not surrendering. It is the opposite. You should behave like the manager and the owner is him. If you say, my life is his, then if you say that, whatever happens in your life is no more yours. You should not weep over it. If some loss happens, it is no more your loss because you are only the manager. Will a manager worry? The owner has to worry. It is no more your worry. So when you start applying it to your personal life also, therefore he says all this, Nivedita, Atma Loka Veda Shilatva, your personal activities, your worldly activities, yourself and your Shila. Shila means your behavior, your personality. If you take it to a little more fundamental question, people always ask this question in Adhyatma. If everything is God's creation, then why is there suffering? What is your problem? That suffering is also God's only. Are you following? You say, God created me, I am suffering now. No, it is not your suffering, it is God's suffering. You are only intellectually telling it is God's, and therefore, yes, then suffering will be yours. If that statement which you are making that I am also God's, if it is really true in your experience, you will no more question. Then if everything is God's, then why am I suffering? That question won't come because it is no more your suffering. So if you take it to its extreme, no matter what happens in your life, you will not complain. You will not go to a temple and make a Bollywood scene. मैंने किसी का भी बुरा नहीं चाहा, मेरे साथ बुरा क्यों हो रहा है? Don't question. If you have surrendered, offered, don't question. That higher entity knows whatever is to be done, and if you are suffering, it is no more your suffering, it is his suffering. That is why we are supposed to read the stories of these bhaktas. Narada tells that as a practice in towards the end. He says in the 76th sutra, he says when he explains the practice, Bhakti Shastrani Mananiyani Tad Udbodhaka Karmani Karaniyani. You have to read those Bhakti Shastras. Bhakti Shastras mainly have the stories of the devotees mostly. Bhagavata has the stories of many devotees. So you are supposed to see their behavior, how they engaged themselves in this surrender, how they practiced it, so that something will switch on in you also.